Welcome to the 3D Cut and the 3D Connect training tutorials. The first functionality that we are going to take a look at is 3D Cut. The purpose of 3D Cut is to remove any unwanted or undesirable parts of the image. Whenever we are about to edit the image, we first recommend to go ahead and make a copy of that particular surface. We do that by clicking on our surface list, selecting the surface which we would like to copy and edit, and clicking the green plus. We can now give the new surface an appropriate name, choose Apply, choose Visible to turn it on, and confirm that there are no other surfaces which are currently visible other than the one which is desired. We can now go ahead and rotate the image to the desired angle and choose Edit 3D Cut. Holding down the Shift key, we can now go ahead and place dots. The software connects the dots, and we are going to draw a lasso around the area which we would like to remove, and click the green check. We can use the tool again in the same manner by holding down the Shift key and creating a lasso around the area which we would like to remove. The 3D Cut toolbox allows us to undo the last cut, restart the cut line, or to show the last cut inverted. Once we close the 3D Cut toolbox, the image which we have created will be a defined and set image. It will not be able to be cut again, and the threshold for that image will not be able to be. This image cannot be rotated as usual. The implants and the nerve can be toggled on. The color and the opacity could be changed. And we can go ahead working with this surface, or we could hide it by unclicking the visible checkbox and switching back to any other surfaces that we have. Please note that the 3D Cut tool can be used to cut a part as well, not just to remove non-connected parts. The purpose of our second tool, the 3D Connect tool, is to isolate the single part, the single unit, which we would like to focus on, and to remove all the other parts of that image. We can go to Edit 3D Connectivity, hold down the Shift key and click once on the parts which you would like to keep in the image, and then select the green checkbox. We are now left with the single part which we had identified. In this situation, the software automatically creates a new volume with the single part which we have chosen. This volume can have the color changed or the opacity level, but once again the density threshold has been locked in and this image cannot be cut again. Multiple surfaces can be turned on at once to overlay surfaces or to display more than one. Here we see that a previously cut image in the color red is overlaid with our original patient's skin. Or of course we could turn on our scan appliance to visualize the patient's scan along with the scan appliance. This concludes our 3D Connect and our 3D Cut training tutorial.